Hi, in this video we're going to go beyond the basics of searching an ATLA religion database with ATLA serials. And so we're going to talk about three types of searching. So if you're looking for particular journal articles on particular passages of Scripture, we're going to show you how to do a Scripture citation search. If you're looking for a particular journal and want to see all the articles that are housed in ATLA that come from that journal, we're going to show you how to do a source search for that. And then we're going to show you how to find articles on Hebrew words and Greek words by doing an index search. Alright, so let's begin with the Scripture citation search. Let's say you're teaching or preaching on Genesis 22:1 through 14, or you've got an exegesis on that. In order to do a proper Scripture citation search, it's very important that you know this, and that is that you have to put in the chapter number for each reference if you have a series of verses. So it's got to be Genesis 22:1 through 22:14 if that's the Scripture passage you're looking for. You can click on the drop-down menu, select Scripture citation, and do that search, and it will pull up the articles that specifically deal with Genesis 22:1 through 22:14. Now, this does not pull for any articles that have Genesis 22:3. That's all they deal with. Those are not in these results. Neither are articles that deal with Genesis 22:1 through 22:19. Excuse me. So keep that in mind. We're going to have, you can search an index for that, and we'll show you how to do that in a few minutes. The second type of search I want to show you is what's called a journal title search, or what is called in ATLA a source search. So if I'm looking for all the journal articles for the Journal of the Evangelical Theological Society, I have to choose source in the drop-down menu, and then do that search, and you'll see it pulls up everything from that journal. This is particularly helpful if you remember that a particular article was from 1999. You can enter in the publication dates, and then you can scan all the articles from 1999. Or you can click on any one of these journals, articles, click on the source, and then you can come down here on the right-hand side and click on 1999 and pick the issue if you remember the issue number. Okay. Now the final way to find particular Hebrew terms or Greek terms in ATLA is to click on More and then click Indexes. Indexes is a very powerful way to search for everything that is in ATLA databases. You can search for the author index, which, like, if you're trying to remember how to spell Andreas Kostenberger and you want to see all the articles for him, you can type in KOST into the author field and find out how to spell the rest of Kostenberger. You can also use Scripture citation, so you can type in Genesis 22 and you'll be able to see all the articles that deal with Genesis 22. Actually, let's just go ahead and do that to indicate this. So you'll see we had our Genesis 22:1 through 14, but maybe I want through 15, 16, and then there's 19, and I click Add, and it adds all of those to my search field, and I search and I'll find all of those articles. In this particular instance, we want to search the Subjects All field to find Hebrew terms. So, or Greek terms. I'm going to go Greek for this illustration, but I put in Greek language. Okay, you can put in Hebrew language or Aramaic language. Then you've got to hit space, dash dash, space, terms, space, dash dash, space, kurios. That's what I'm going to search for. You could put any type of transliteration that you want in there. And then you'll see I have 12 items on kurios. Click on that checkbox, click Add, drops it up here, and then click Search. And I've got it. So those will be 12 articles that deal with that specific word. So that's very helpful in searching ATLA. Hope you found this video beneficial. We'll see you next time.